Valentine's Day reading, Pisces. Your cards are the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the Six of Swords. So medyo napansin natin medyo stagnant, no, itong relationship natin, lalo na nito mga nakaraang araw, linggo, buwan, last year. Parang hindi siya nagmo-move. With the Ace of Wands in here, it can also be that this is a new chapter in your life. Sabihin natin may magbubukas dito ng pinto, no? To put this connection into another level of commitment. So, paano yung mangyayari? Stagnant nga. Well, with the Ace of Wands, it is probably because the expressions of love, and you might going to decide or probably make a decision here dahil meron sa inyong mangyayaring intimacy, no? Whether this is through bed or it can also be just, it could be an intellectual intercourse, no? Na parang nagja-jive ang energy mo together with your person and dito na parang, ikaw yung taong para sa akin, no? Talagang magkakaroon ka ng security dito sa relationship. So this is your Valentine's Day reading, Pisces.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.